Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today you will learn something very useful and very simple. Today's topic is how to talk about your family in simple English. If you feel confused when someone asked about your family, this lesson will fix that today. I will make it easy, simple and confident for you. Hi, I am Sarah. I am so happy you are here with me today. Take a deep breath, relax. You are safe here. You are learning and you are improving already. Let's learn together. Today you will learn how to talk about your family in easy language. This is important because people ask about family in daily life, at work, at school, with friends, even with strangers. You will learn simple sentences you can use everywhere. Example: I live with my family. I have one brother. Easy, right? Let's start. More. I will take you 10 useful sentences. We go slowly, step by step. Sentence number 1. This is my family. Meaning, I am show or talking about your family. Example: this is my family in this photo. Sentence number 2. I live with my family. Meaning, we stay in the same home. Example: I live with my family in Karachi. Sentence number 3. I have one brother. Meaning, I have one male sibling. Example: I have one brother. He is younger. Sentence number 4. I have two sisters. Meaning, I have two female siblings. Example: I have two sisters. They are very kind. Sentence number 5. My mother is very caring. Meaning, she is loving and supportive. Example: my mother is very caring. She helps me every day. Sentence number 6. My father works very hard. Meaning, he does a lot of work. Example: my father works very hard for our family. Sentence number 7. We are a happy family. Meaning, we feel good together. Example: we are a happy family. We support each other. Great, you learned 7 powerful sentences. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Number 1. This is my family. Number 2. I live with my family. Number 3. I have one brother. Number 4. I have two sisters. Number 5. My mother is very caring. Number 6. My father works very hard. Number 7. We are a happy family. Good. Say them again if you want. Pause and practice. Say every sentence in your own voice. Go slowly, you can do it. Now let's go faster. Say it with me. I live with my family. I have one brother. We are a happy family. Great speed, great energy. Confidence boost. Listen to me. Simple. Speaking English is not about perfection. It's about practice. It's about trying. It's about small steps every day. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes mean you are learning. You are improving right now. You should feel proud of yourself. Now tell me in the comments. Write one simple sentences about your family. Just one sentence. I will read it. If this lesson helped you, please like, subscribe and share. It helps this channel grow and it helps me make more lessons for you. Thank you for learning with me today. You did amazing. Keep going, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye bye for now.